Level 3, musicality and connection, and we both fell back. We talked a little bit more about musicality. In the beginning, we went over our ABAC section, which we told you is also fairly common, so you know what to expect.
One example is Pennies from Heaven.
We danced to that a bunch. And then we just started talking about how when you dance with a person to music, you can just try and copy exactly what the music does. That works. Like you hear the music does, and you do it with your footsies. That works.
The other option is to hear that empty space and you complement the music. So you try maybe find a new rhythm, a new body shape outside of exactly what the music is doing.
And then we did that a bunch, and we just like talked about like what it does with your communication with your partner, with your connection. When like one of the partners throws in something crazy, something interesting, like how do you react to that? How do you keep like that steady rhythm underneath it and still make the dance happen essentially? And I don't know, I just like this idea of how like there are certain things we can expect once we get familiar with music and when music repeats itself, but then within that structure you can do a lot of like really cool creative improvisation. Yeah,
I'm going to encourage you to maybe put a little bit more repetition in your dancing, just like the music, and use the music to inform your choices. And that was it. So bye!